Today we're going to show you how to transform your wheels from this to this.
With the help of Emily.
Let's get started.
Today we're going to be showing you how to clean glossy wheels. We also have Emily. Hi, Emily.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Good, all right. So when it comes to wheel cleaning, how do you clean your wheels?
I don't clean my wheels.
All right, that's an issue. Issue number one. I'm going to show you today the simplest way you clean any type of wheel. So like this, whether you're dealing with a satin car, whether you're dealing with a glossy wheel, you could use this product to clean any type of wheel. You won't damage it, you won't harm it. If it has protection on it, it has a coating on it, it won't come off.
Okay.
All right, so to start off with, I picked up this 30 Mazda from the parking lot. I mean, the owner drives it and does not care. Like, I mean, over time, all of this brake dust, if something you don't want to do, but I will be doing just for demonstration purposes, is all of that is just gunk that sits on your surface of the wheel, and over time, it's going to cause either rust spots or it's going to pit your wheel, and you can cause permanent damage. So that's why we always tell people, wash your wheels, clean them, protect them, put ceramic on it. Because at the end of the day, we want you guys to protect your investment, because if you don't, your wheels are going to go to basically to trash.
Okay.
All right. So from now on, you can learn how to clean your wheels this way, right?
Got it.
Today, we're going to be making it as simple as possible. I have a bucket filled with water, and then this is a dirt trap. You can touch it. So that's going to filter while you wash. So if you look at the back of it, it actually has over 100 cyclonic cones on the back, and this is going to cause the water to sit at the bottom, or any dirty particles to sit at the bottom, and it won't let it rise back up. So it also has micro braces on top. So anytime you get your brushes or a wash mitt, whether you're doing a wheel cleaner or a wash video or a washing on your car, you come back down, scrub it right here, and it's going to suck even more and leave all the filth and gunk at the bottom, right?
Cool.
Cool. So whenever you insert it, you insert at an angle and you push all the way down. Then we do have an assortment of brushes that we'll be using. We'll grab our Diablo Wheel Gel, we'll shake it up, and then we're gonna add 1, 2, 3. 3 ounces of Diablo Wheel Gel into our bucket, just because these wheels are super filthy. So I can get this bottle out the way, I'll put it inside my bucket. So now, what do you think is next?
Mix it up.
All right, mix it up. We're gonna follow your steps. Mix it up.
Is that the right step?
We're mixing it.
It seems like you should use that because you picked it up.
Oh, I'm picking it up, just I won't step on it.
No, put it in and squeeze it.
All right, put it in and squeeze it. All right, so we activated the suds. Next step, what's step number 2?
Wet the wheel.
All right, well, you wanna wet the wheel?
Okay. Is that step 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, step number 2 is done.
Okay.
I'll take it from you before you splash me. Step number 3.
One of those brushes.
One of these brushes. So we need some type of lubrication. So this is when we grab our Diablo Wheel Gel.
Okay.
And we'll spray it all over our wheel. I'll get that side, and since I'm actually at a blind spot, you'll spray it onto this side.
Okay. Watch out for your shoe.
Don't worry. So what this gel is going to do, Emily, is going to cling hard onto the filth and grime. And what we always want to have is lubrication on the surface. So I'll show you how to scrub, and you'll follow right after. So the Red Rocket, I got tons of lubricated suds on it. I'll go into the holes. I'll go into the barrel, and I start scrubbing it back and forth.
Ew.
And you can start seeing that all of this foam is coming out brown.
Yeah.
That's because this owner does not clean his wheels whatsoever. And we're trying to remove all the filth and grime away from the surface of the wheel. Now, you can see it almost looks like a chocolate popsicle. What you want to do is after, just come in here, sink it in, come back to your wheel, and re-scrub it side to side. Now, this brush can also be used like around your car. You could also use like on your grills. You could use it like in nooks and crannies. The nylon bristles are super plush and soft, and it won't harm it. Now, one pro tip for you, Emily, is always start cleaning from top to bottom, so you can ensure you have a deep, thorough clean. I'm just gonna give it one last pass because when I was here, I kind of missed the spot. So I did that. I'll pass this back over to you.
Okay.
And you'll follow those techniques. Now, if you're at home and your wheel cleaner dries up a little bit, simply grab it again, and you can simply spray it again once again. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's okay. You can go back in there and get more suds.
Okay.
And if your suds
They're not sudsy.
not sudsy, you can reactivate them by pressing down the nozzle or adding more pressure to it. So I will also spray some in there so you get more cleaning action.
Ah. Dirty. How do I know when it's like sufficient?
Whenever you don't see no more brown foam, but what I like to do is I like to give it one pass and you can just put your brush back in the bucket. We'll continue with the steps, and obviously once we're done rinsing it, we'll see what we need to do. We need to go back to the wheel and retouch up some certain areas.
Okay.
As of right now, we'll just keep moving forward. So we did the barrel. What do you think is next?
The lug nuts.
You're really like into lug nuts.
Was I right?
Yeah, we could do the lug nuts. So the board header detailing brush will allow us to go in there. And I'm actually going to let you borrow this brush right now,
Okay.
just so you could see how it feels. So that board hair detailing brush, the bristles are actually flagged open. So anytime you push down on it, it's going to hug the lug nut to actually get in the back of the wheel. Now this brush, Emily, is going to allow you to clean up the face of the wheel and any easy to reach areas. But since you really want to do lug nuts, you'll start seeing why I personally always recommend starting off with the face first, just because we might have to work double, just because this brush unfortunately can't fit into all the nooks and crannies around the wheel. But I want to learn how you clean your wheels, especially because you say you don't clean your wheels. So what process you would take to clean up your wheels? You think it's done?
Yes.
All right. So this is where your horsehair detailing brush comes back into play. So the wheelie wheel brush never gets in these nooks and crannies back here. So this is why I personally always like to clean up the face of the wheel, and then I just come back just to clean up these surfaces. All right. Now, what's next? So we did the barrel, which is the holes for you. We did the lug nuts, which is nooks and crannies. We did the wheel, which is the face. What do you think's next?
Tire.
Tire. All right. So then we have our total extract tire and rubber cleaner. We'll spray it onto the surface. I'll do this half and you'll do that half.
Okay.
Then I will dig into my wheel bucket and get my big blue stiffy and start scrubbing it out. Now, this brush, the nylon bristles are a bit more stiff, and this is why you want to use it on rubber, just to remove any old filth or grime that is sitting on this tire. Now you do that side. It's actually not that hard to clean wheels. Maybe you just never encountered a dirty wheel.
No, my wheels are probably plenty dirty. I just don't think to clean them.
Well, now you know how to clean wheels. So if you guys want you guys' wheels clean, comment down below. Emily got you. All right, after we're done with that, we'll rinse it down. What's up, Emily? All right, so we're actually not done yet. I want to show you also how to add tire shine. So
Okay.
we're just gonna dry the wheel. So we're gonna get a microfiber towel, dry the wheel, and we'll be right back. Now we're gonna be applying tire shine. So I have this foam applicator. Now this foam applicator, whenever you push down on the surface of a tire, it's going to contour to the surface. That's for you. And then we have tire kicker, a water-based dressing. Do you know the difference between a water-based dressing and an oil-based dressing?
One has water in it and one has oil.
You're on a roll. Can water-based dressings be used on the interior?
Yes.
You sure?
No.
You gotta be confident.
I don't know.
Yeah, you can. So the difference between water-based dressings and oil-based dressings are only meant for exterior surfaces such as plastics and rubber. Water-based dressings, you could add it to your vinyl, rubber, plastic pieces, both interior and exterior. This one not cause a glare on your dashboard if you do, so it won't be a driving hazard, and it's completely dry to a touch. So there's two different ways you could do it. You could be the person at home that doesn't like adding a tire shine, you just want a black clean look like this, or you can enhance tire shine. But today we're gonna be adding tire kicker to this tire.
Okay.
So that's for you. Spray some onto your applicator. Let me actually, I'm setting you up for failure right now. There you go.
Oh man.
All right. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Don't look.
No, it's okay. It's okay. We'll wipe it down. So, if you do get tire shine, spray it onto the surface of your wheel, come back and just buff it off. So that's why we always recommend spraying it a little bit closer to the applicator, so you won't get overspray. So
Would have been good to get those instructions first.
Oh, wow. It's okay. All right, so now we're just rub it onto the surface of the tire. Yeah, and just rub it side to side.
Do I have to reapply it?
If you feel like you need more, you can feel free to respray the applicator 1 to 2 inches away from it. But if you think you have uneven coverage, you'll be good to go.
I don't know. I think it looks okay. Right?
No.
It looks all shiny everywhere.
Up to you. This is why we also recommend.
I'm not the pro.
This is why we recommend adding tire shine, like cracking.
And how does tire shine keep your wheels?
So
from
tire
cracking?
shine is going to nourish your rubber pieces or your tires from getting like sun damage, from cracking, from wear and tear over time. So a lot of people think that tire shine goes on the tread. Don't apply it onto a tread. Only the sidewall, because obviously whenever you drive, the tread is obviously going to get filth and grime all over it. But you could prevent all this cracking on your side from your sidewall by adding a bit of tire shine.
So I should do more along this.
Yeah,
Okay.
a little bit more, and then 1 to 2 inches
Shoot
away.
over here. Learning.
Now you're gonna be a pro by cleaning wheels.
Yeah.
All right.
This is my calling.
I know. So, once again, you guys want clean wheels? You guys have dirty wheels? Emily, got you.
Okay.
That's it.
Crushed it.
You crushed it.
I know.
Easy, right?
Not too bad.
What do you think about it? You think it's more of a just like, where do I start, or?
I think it's just knowing that it should be done more than where do I start.
All right. You ready for another set of wheels?
Yeah, pull them in.
And that's how fast, fun, and simple it is to clean up these wheels and tires. It's simple, it's not hard, it's not rocket science. And if you guys want to see more videos of Emily learning how to detail, drop them down below. Let us know what you want her to do, whether it's polishing, claying, sealing, waxing, engine bay cleaning. You think about it, drop it down below, and that's what you'll do next. Anything you have
Good
to say?
stuff. No, that was fun.
That was fun. All right. As well, if you want to pick up any of these products that we use in today's video, chemicalguys.com, or drive down to your local detail garage, and we will see you next time.